Hello.
Bernie chain cake for sale.
Cake for sale? What type of cake is that?
Paris.
How much you selling it for?
The whole box, $5.
The whole box, $5? Yo! No! That's my cake, my guy. Stop playing with me!
No, thank you.
What happened? What you saying? I can't hear you. Nah. I can't hear you, bro. Well, go ahead.
Can I help you?
Hello, sir.
Can I help you?
How you doing? No.
Where are you recording?
What we got here? Huh? Excuse me?
What is it with the, what's that for?
Video.
For what?
For video.
Oh, okay.
For the peeps.
Okay, fine. Take my video.
You gonna take a video too? I got you. He said, hold up, my boy. He gonna take a video. Yeah. You don't need it, because don't they got this one right there, my peeps? What you doing here, peeps? Huh? What? I can hear you. It's not a picture. It's not a picture.
What are you video on, bro?
Excuse me?
Why are you video?
What's your name?
Your business. You're one of these assholes on YouTube trying to get a raise out of people, isn't it?
You calling me an asshole?
Hey, boss. How you doing?
What's going on?
What you doing, though?
What are you doing?
Why you're filming? You can't film yet.
Yo, Zay, all right, my peeps? What's going on? What's going on, man? Whoa. What's going on here, man? What up?
How you doing?
Haven't badge on, my brother.
Gomez, 21586.
What's going on here?
Trying to tell me to leave. Who is
To
it?
leave where? Why are you telling my son to leave? That's my son, bro. Go tell your son to leave, bro.
Why you getting attitude?
Because you're telling my son to leave. You're violating his rights.
No, but you're telling him that he can walk away.
No, he could be wherever he wants, bro. He's a free man.
All right.
He don't break the law. Who's not supposed to be recorded?
Use a dirty car. Use a dirty car. Use a dirty car. Use a dirty car.